And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sell Bitcoin using Binance. Since Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and Bitcoin is a crypto which is the top crypto right now. So basically, you guys can easily sell it in Binance. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First step is you want to go to binance.com, which is the official website of Binance, just like this over here. You want to go to your search engine, search for binance.com like this. After you search for it, you want to log in into your account. Now, after you log in into your account, basically what you want to do is you want to go on trade. Once you click on trade, you want to go on resist advanced. Alright, you can either choose other method like classic, which is simple, but I like to go with advanced, so I'm going to go on advanced over here. After you go on advanced, wait for some time until it loads up. Now once it loads up, basically you want to go on the sell section over here. So basically green means buy and red means sell, so you want to be in the red section over here. So just keep that in mind. Green means buy, red means sell. So I'm going to be selling over here. Now once you go on the sell section, you want to click on this arrow looking icon and search for Bitcoin. It's going to be Bitcoin by default, but if it is not Bitcoin by default, you can always click on this arrow and search for Bitcoin over here. Alright, after you search for Bitcoin, you want to click on it, and I'm selling Bitcoin for /USDT, which means after selling Bitcoin, I'm going to be receiving USDT. So the current price of one Bitcoin is 46,000 USDT. So I'm going to sell 2 Bitcoin, which means my total is going to be $92,000. So I'm going to click on sell BTC after that. Then basically my Bitcoin will be sold. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can sell Bitcoin on your, Binance account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video on how you guys can do it. It's pretty much simple.